Tired of fake-looking AI avatars that belong in the uncanny valley? This free tool nails real lip sync, clean video, and even celeb voiceovers. VIDNOZ, the good, the bad, and the wait. This is free? Talking avatars? Insanely realistic. Talking photos? Unlimited 20-second clips.
Don't forget to like and follow the History Viper.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Insight with Sage.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to iViper. Don't forget to like and subscribe to iViper.
Celebrity voiceovers? Yep, no fish.audio needed. But avoid these like a glitchy Zoom call. Their video generator? Awful. The kissing tool? Cringe. Pro tip, record in widescreen with a solid green background. Keep the avatar on the right side, then crop out the watermark. Boom, clean, free, no watermark. Bonus, their text-to-speech has shockingly good celeb voices, perfect for memes, skits, or even a virtual co-host for your channel. Bottom line? Faster, cleaner, and more realistic than most paid tools. I test the trash so you don't have to. Want more gems like this? Stay tuned.